I'm rating EAS alarms because people need to know how they're scary. So, enjoy. Italy, 8 out of 10. That is a little strange alarm. United States of America, 4 out of 10. That is a very creepy alarm. South Korea, it's 1 out of 10. That sounds a very bad alarm. The Philippines, 6 out of 10. That is a bad alarm. The alarm is from a movie. Thailand, 2 out of 10. This alarm is slightly scary. I got 2 points. Jamaica, 0 out of 10. Finland, 3 out of 10. Hong Kong, it's 5 out of 10. Vietnam, 2 out of 10. That is a very strange alarm. It's so scaring me out. Malaysia, 11 out of 10. That scares me out in a weird way. Ukraine, 2 out of 10. That's scary. Netherlands, 100 out of 10. That's the scariest alarm I've heard. Indonesia gets no rating. Switzerland gets a 10 out of 10. The alarm sounds like an ambulance. Sweden, 3 out of 10. Just a beep. Brazil gets a 9 out of 10. It's very scary. Israel gets 8 out of 10. Very scary enough. Thanks for watching. If there's any alarms I've missed, well, let me know. I can do part 2 of the alarms. Don't forget to like and subscribe.